Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The Chinese Benevolent Association and the Jamaica Dragon Boat Federation have collaborated to launch dragon boat racing in Jamaica. The first event of the new dragon boating calendar takes place on Saturday and Sunday at the Grand Hotel Excelsior Port Royal, formerly the Morgan's Harbour Hotel, starting at 10 a.m. each day.
Dragon boat racing is described as a unique team sport that began in the Chinese villages. It requires team members to paddle in complete synchrony as one unit to the beating of a drum in the bow of the boat. It is an established sport that is in over 75 countries, including Trinidad and Tobago and the Bahamas.
It was the drive of Neil Yapsam who made this all happen. And really and truly, it is stick-to-itiveness, his determination, and this has happened. And we have to thank, the Chinese embassy, who assisted us in acquiring boats and equipment.
And there will be different categories of races. You experience about the Chinese culture, and also obviously the excitement of racing on water, or on Port Royal.
With the endorsement of the TEF and Jamaica Vacations, SDF General Manager Alan Beckford, who was representing Sports Minister Olivia Grange, is hoping this will be another sport that will be twinned with tourism.
The government has always liked to see additional opportunities for sportsmen in Jamaica. So we wish them all the best, and we are hoping that they will continue to grow, and we are sure that this will also be a good tourism product to get more Chinese to come to Jamaica.
11 teams who have been in training for several weeks are registered to participate, including the UWI Confucius team and the JDF Coast Guard.
The JDF is participating not only with a team, but because this is a sport that occurs on water, in the Kingston Harbour, where it will be happening, launching from the Grand Excelsior Hotel in Port Royal. We'll also be providing the safety to ensure that the activities are conducted. But we're very happy that it's a new sport. JDF is always at the forefront with sporting in Jamaica.
Race boats. We'll be racing boats this Saturday and Sunday as a team, and we Huaning Daja Lai Tantia. I welcome everyone to come attend.
Following Saturday's opening ceremony, the 200-meter heats will open the schedule with 3 boats per race. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.